Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect yourself from Coinbase withdrawal code scam step by step clearly. Understand that a withdrawal code, 2FA code, or SMS code is a secret that should never be shared with anyone. Assume any message asking for your Coinbase codes is a scam, even if it looks urgent or official. Never read out verification codes on a phone call, because real support will not request them. Do not click links in emails, SMS, Telegram, WhatsApp, or social media DMs that claim your account is locked. Open Coinbase only by typing the official website address yourself or using the official mobile app. Check the sender carefully, because scammers often use lookalike domains and fake support names. Turn on two-factor authentication with an authenticator app, not SMS, to reduce SIM swap risk. Store your backup codes offline in a safe place, and never upload them to cloud notes or screenshots. Create a strong, unique password for Coinbase and do not reuse it on any other website. Enable a password manager to generate and save long passwords so you do not rely on memory. Activate account alerts so you get notified about logins, password changes, and withdrawals immediately. Review your device security by updating your phone and computer and removing unknown apps or extensions. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi and use a trusted network or a reputable VPN when traveling. If someone claims to be Coinbase support, tell them you will contact support only through the official help center. Verify any support case by logging into your account and checking for official messages inside the platform. Never install remote access software like AnyDesk or TeamViewer because scammers use it to steal funds. Do not share your screen during account access, because it can expose codes, emails, and security prompts. Watch for pressure tactics like "act now" or "your funds will be lost," because urgency is a common scam tool. Before withdrawing, double-check the destination address and test with a small amount if you are unsure. Set up a withdrawal allow list if available, so funds can only go to pre-approved addresses. Use biometric lock on your phone and a device passcode to protect your authenticator app. Check your email security by enabling 2FA on your email account and reviewing login activity. Look for signs of compromise like unexpected password reset emails or new devices in your account history. If you already shared a code, immediately change your password, revoke sessions, and lock the account if possible. Contact Coinbase support through official channels and provide only the necessary details without sharing codes. Report the scam message in the app or platform, and block the scammer's number or account. Keep records like screenshots of messages and transaction IDs to help investigations and support requests. Practice a simple rule: codes are for you and your device only, and nobody else ever needs them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.